Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about SLA. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. Now question is what is the need of SLA? So understanding it, assume we have an appliance and it is connected to two ISP, Internet Service Provider 1 and Internet Service Provider 2. Okay, to understand it we require a diagram. Please have patience. Okay, we have an ASA that is connected to Internet Service Provider 1 and Internet Service Provider 2. Yes, ISP1 is primary using AD1. When we define the route, then we define AD1 to the primary ISP and we define AD2 to the secondary ISP. So here we can say primary ISP1 is our primary service provider and ISP2 is our secondary Internet Service Provider. If primary link will goes down, then appliance will use secondary. Okay, now suppose when this link will goes down, then ASA will automatically choose the secondary path here. But here condition is this: there is no problem in our network, but internet service provider has problem, means that ISP is not able to give us reachability. What's happened here? Now how we'll assume it, that the internet service provider link is connected with a device that is called MUX. Okay, what happened? There is no problem with our firewall to MUX, means that link is up. But when the internet servers, there is a problem with the access link which is connected between MUX and internet service provider. So here what is the problem in this situation? Because interface, the ASA interface is up, ASA will not trigger the interface to the AS service provider 2 until this link will not goes down here. So same as ISP2 link is also connected with another MUX here. Okay, until this link will not goes down, ASA will not use the secondary path. But here condition is this: there is no problem with our link, but there is a problem in the service provider link. So here ASA will not use the secondary path, and if it will not choose the secondary path and primary path is not able to give us reachability to the internet, to solve this problem, here we will use a SLA, service level agreement. What happened in service level agreement? We use a protocol that is ICMP. Here we will use ICMP echo request. Okay, here we will give a condition. For example, there are some public server, for example 8.8.8.8, or you can choose your gateway IP. That for example your gateway IP is here 101.1.100 is our, and our gateway IP is first IP, and secondary we have here 102.1.1.100, and secondary internet service provider gateway is the first one. Okay, so you can track the reachability with your gateway or any public server. So here we will give a condition to the SLA, service level agreement, that you have to send echo request to a public server 8.8.8.8, and what you have to use, you have to use the source 101.1.1.100. Okay, now it will continue send the request to the 8.8.8.8 using this source, and what we have to do now, we have to call it into track. Yes, for example this is SLA1, and SLA1 condition says that you have to continuously ping to the this public IP using this source. It means it will check the reachability with the public IP using the primary internet service provider. Okay, now what we will do here, okay, in track what we will do, in track we will call SLA, and we will say to the track that give us information about SLA. If SLA is up or down, give us notifications. Okay, now we will call this track into route. For example, this is our outside one, any IP, any mask, and gateway is this one, and we will call here track. Okay, now condition is this. Okay, when track will remain up, this route will be remain in routing table. If this track will down here, means when the track will down, when the reachability will is not not here, then this track will goes down. When track will goes down, then this route will be removed from the routing table, and this route will be override by another route. For example, another route we have defined, route outside to any IP any mask, and that's gateway is 101.1.2 using AD2. Okay, primary route will remain in the routing table until the track is up. When the track will is up, yes, when we have reachability to the public with our service provider, one track will remain up. If there is a problem, track will goes down. When track will goes down, then route will be removed from the routing table, then secondary route will be used here. So this is the best technique here to utilize our link with the internet service provider. Thank you.